She's got to keep playing. Come on, keep playing.
She's my favorite accordion player.
Can't you hear it?
I love it.
Never sounded better.
Do it again. Do it again.
I think that's the air tune.
Who's got a camera?
The air. Woo!
Anybody taking a picture of us? There's water here.
Now this.
Color, Amy. You look like an actor.
That's it. You got it now. You got it now.
Well, so it's called the first women's journalist.